Alright, today's video, I found underbed storage that I actually like. This has been a challenge. I saw something that I like on IKEA's website, but IKEA is closed right now, and there's no curbside pickup. Shipping delay is about 2 months. Things aren't as hectic as other stores as they've been the last month or two, so I've been able to kind of look around, and I found this. I bought one to see how it fit perfectly. This is my Mainstays Sofa bed, and it fits perfectly right between this bar, so I could fit 2 of them. So once I saw it fit perfectly, I went back to the store. So this is the Hefty Hi-Rise 63 quart, made in the USA, not that other place. So I'll show you guys how it looks behind the sofa bed. Here's how it looks behind the sofa bed. So there's still a big gap in this area, so I could still fit travel bags in this area if I wanted to, even with the bed fold down. And then I have plenty of space if the bed is folded up. So I like how it works out. I wish these were a solid color and not clear, but like I said, fits perfectly under here like it was made for this. So here's what it looks like. So let me put this up. See, plenty of gap under the bed still. See, right there, that area still has a lot of room, and then this area will have a lot of room, and then it just clears when the bed is folded up. This will be a tiny bit taller when it's folded into a flat bed, but yeah, it just cleared perfectly. That was important to me too. So I'm going to drive around right now and see if this slides around. I'm not a fan of too much bungee cords, but if this slides around, I could just put a bungee across here. Headed home right now. Let's see how this stays in place. That's a good sound. Looks like I have to use bungee. As much as I don't like bungee, that came off, sent my Mighty Cool flying. Forgot to bungee in my cooler, so I sent everything flying on a hard turn. That's what bungee's invented for. Keep everything in place. Like I said, I'm not a fan of too many bungee cords, but that doesn't look too bad. That'll work. So just bungeed it right here on the little support, and then I just wrapped it around, and it goes up right here. That's it.